Today we are troubleshooting an ESAB Plasma Cutter Supply that our customer has reported has an intermittent issue. The intermittent issue is when they power it on, they get a power reset fault. Or while it is running, they get a power reset fault. Sometimes after a day, sometimes after a week. We have found a problem within this main circuit board, which would indicate either a cold solder joint or some form of small trace damage, which we will demonstrate. So as you can see, as we have different pressure on the board here, we can get the fault to disappear. What this tells us is that we are making a connection now where the connection should have been within this board. So somewhere, and again as the unit operates, the fault reappears. But if we put our pressure there or we apply cold spray, which we will demonstrate here, we can also get the fault to go away. So we know somewhere in this one section there is a trace that needs to be repaired. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.